In today's video, I'll be telling you about the automatic generator start network by Magnum Energy. It's normally called the AGS, automatic generator start, made by Magnum. So this is the Magnum, and there are a few things I'm going to show you on the diagram because I don't have it installed yet, and I don't even have a generator to do that yet, but I can able to install this on my system. But this is what it is. Before I'm gonna go about it, let me take you back to the my power room and show you. Well, this is the MEARTR midnight energy, sorry, Magnum Energy ATRTR, MEARTR. This is what it is. And I have the network here, which is the router. And the other component, you see here, the MEARC50. This is the remote. And here is the router. And you have the battery monitor kit inside this device. So let's go back. This is my system, Magnum, and you guys can see all the component that's already comprises to this, and the network system is already down there, all wiring, the router, the communication, and the stacking. So let me take you back and show you, or continue to the automatic generator start, how we operate or how you wired it. According to Magnum, you've seen what I've shown you there. You need a router, MEARTR, and you need a automatic generator start if you want to get a full complete install of the system. There goes the MERC50. This is the old version, it's not the advanced, so this is the Shore. So the advanced, you need the advanced one for you to do all this other stuff I was gonna show you here. You have the communication wires. Okay, you can see that this is for the MEAGS. That's the purple one. That's the remote for it. It says a purple. Magnum makes it easier. The network is green, so this is the cable for the generator. Okay, so this is what it is. And here you can see is the network. It goes right there. So it's all labeled. You know, even if you can't read it, you know what to do. You know what to do. So guys, this is what it is. This is how the wiring goes. Like I was showing you earlier. So we have the MEARTR, which is the remote, and you see how the charge controller, which is the PT100. That's why I took you to the room first, for you to have a good look on the system. Then it's wired to the first inverter, which is the master, and it goes back to the slave one master. Here you see that a little MA is a master. The second inverter for me, I have two inverters, and this one, just forget about this other two. This is a slave. That slave one goes to here. So it shows you the diagram how the wires come the network, plug into the MEARTR, which is the router I just showed you on the board there, the black one, big black one. And after that, you will see how the connection, everything goes from there and gets your a BMK. I wasn't able to show you this because it's inside the machine, and I was looking for one because I have one of that, but I can't just locate it. I don't know where I put it, but it goes the network, which is this one. Here's a battery monitor kit. You can see that very good. The battery monitor kit. So it monitors your state of charge and replenish your battery, tells you everything what's happening with the system. This guy shows you the batteries and everything, the health of it. And from there, you can see the MEARC I showed you on the machine. And this is the advanced. And the one I have here is the older version of that. This one here. This is the MERC50. The one I just showed you is the ARC50. All right, guys. So let's see here. Come closer. So this is how you go about it on the advanced. It's a 4 module, and this is just for a single module here if it's a single inverter. So from that, you got a network. You're gonna have the remote side where you plug the remote, which is this guy here. Okay, it has a spot for it, and remote, you put it on the remote is gonna be the blue cable, and the green here, the out, it comes to the output on the inverter here, which is the network. So because of that, you need something if it's a single inverter, which is like this, like a telephone splitter, you know, a house phone splitter. So that's what it is. So you plug this one, a wire, there's another yellow wire that came with it that you can connect this adapter to, or you can connect this one right on the back of the inverter and split it. You have a 3-way splitter, which is for the network. So the network is gonna power up this automatic generator. This can plug like number 1 here, and the battery monitor kit can plug in here. Okay, so this is how we go about it. And the network goes there, and you can see there's a remote side of it here that you can plug. The remote goes to where here, if we go back here, you'll see the remote part of it, the network, MERC, and you can see how, oh sorry, you can see how everything is connected just right there. And probably it's not going to make complete sense to you guys till you see I already have everything on the list, how everything works. And you can able to see, because everything is monitoring the BMK, the MERC, you know, automatic generator start. Everything goes in network into this one little battery monitor kit. But because of the battery monitor kit pulls the information and sent to the MEARC, which you can able to see all of this stuff inside this display, which is the advanced one. You can see everything there. Okay, so this is how everything works with Magnum, and this is how you go about wiring it. The wires and the generator, you gotta connect here, had contact, so it's gonna give you a green light right there if it's ready or not. Like I said, right now you cannot able to see the picture of it till everything is set up. And if we come back here, you can see exactly what I just said. From that, you see the remote is going to be the blue one. Automatic generator start, which is the network, comes in here, and this is the example I was given here. What he did here, what he did. Sorry for all the noise back here. What they did, they took this guy here. They took this guy here, and the network, they plug one of these guys here. Well, it's the smaller one. This is a white because I have the 2. Can have one that's just 1 and 2. So it's plugged right there. See what it is? It's right here. See that? It's right there. So because of the split, this takes the network from the inverter and comes in, and split it to this from a phone line, which is RJ12. It goes back to the BMK. The BMK has to be powered with a battery with a fuse line. This one has to have a hard contact here for the generator. 2 or 3 wires that come from your generator. There are certain generators. I don't even have the information for you. I wrote it somewhere. The type of generators that can able to work with this thing directly. And there is another connection right here. You can see what it is. Okay, and right here. So there are a lot of diagrams and shows you what to do exactly with this configuration, how to start up your generator. Well, I hope guys this is just a quick demonstration and show you how the generator thing works and with the accessories that goes with it and the communication wires and with a phone adapter, a splitter, and this is what you need, and the MEARTR, and with the manuals you go with that. But you see the video coming up and that will make complete sense to you, and I'll go through everything. Just want to introduce my automatic generator start, and which is called the MEAGS Magnum. All right, thanks for watching. Love you guys all. Like and subscribe. I hope this one makes sense. Does it make sense? I will say stay tuned because I'm gonna be wire everything up, and this is one of the devices that left for me to add up to the system, and it's all completed. It's a complete version, not complete because you have the Magnum mag, something like that, MEG or MAG, which is for the network, so you can able to see it on the internet. So it's another small box. It's a smaller one, just a half of this. So that's the only thing that left remaining for our system to be a complete Magnum with everything, bells and whistles. All right, bye for now.